Was Windows 11 better when it was first released? Or is it better now? On the left side we have the first build of Windows 11. On the right side we have the latest Windows as of the time of recording this video. And it is time to set them up. Windows 2021. Next, install now. And while it's starting, let's also proceed with the build from 2026. Next, install Windows 11. This one actually has more steps. On 2026 it just says product key, but on 2021 it says activate Windows. Let's just click on I don't have a product key for both of them. For this one as well. Let's just pick Windows 11 Pro. Next, on this one also Windows 11 Pro. There's the license agreement. I don't want to read it. I accept. On this one as well, I accept. Next. Custom install Windows only. Drive 0, unallocated space. Next. Okay, installing Windows. And now let's do this one as well. Disk 0, next. Ready to install Windows, keep nothing. Install. The 2021 installation screen looks more like what you would see on Windows Vista or Windows 7 on those kinds of operating systems. This one on the other hand is kind of more modern. Just a moment. And there we are. Is this the right country or region? United States, yes. On 2026 Windows I need an internet connection, but on 2021 I can just press I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup. OB bypass and row. And now I can press I don't have internet. This might take a few minutes. You don't say. Okay, so I think let's install some VMware tools on these guys. Install VMware tools. Install. And on this one as well. Install. We have completely different background wallpapers when we have first installed the systems. And the layout is also a bit different. On this one we have the big search bar. On this one we don't. We have only the icon. Okay. Next. Complete. Next. Install. Next. Complete. Next. Install. Everything is so freaking small. I can't even get rid of this background unless my Windows is activated. Right after the installation, this is how both of the systems look side by side. On 2021 you didn't have this news panel. You didn't have that by default. You had to turn it on, I guess. And this search bar is different. This one is a long boy and this one is an icon. Search box, icon only. And on 2026 we have penguins, because today is Penguin Awareness Day. I didn't know that. There's a penguin in the search bar. On 2021 we don't have that, even though we're on the same date. Okay, and what is snip and sketch? Do we have snip and sketch on this one as well? There's no snip and sketch. I guess it's the snipping tool. Take a new snip. Why is it called different in 2021? One thing I also see is that the Microsoft Store icon is completely different. This is the Microsoft Store. Why is it black in 2021, but it's blue in 2026? Since the Microsoft Store icon is different, I want to see what other icons are completely different. Xbox icon, I can see that one is different. Alarms and clock. This one's called Alarms and Clock in 2021. This one's called just Clock in 2026. Office. This icon I kinda remember. Solitaire, this is just called Solitaire, but here it's called Solitaire and Casual Games. And the mail icon also has changed. And this one says all apps, while here it says just all. And the Photos app is also different, I just noticed. 2021 Windows had Cortana from Windows 10, I guess. Okay, voice recorder. Here it's called voice recorder, but here it's called sound recorder. Your phone, where is that one on 2026? Oh, it's just called Phone Link, I think. So those are the icons. Now let's open up File Explorer and see what's up with that one. So this is the 2021 File Explorer, and this is the 2026 File Explorer. Right out of the box, opening them for the first time, I feel like 2021 looks a bit better, at least to my eye, I don't know. I like that this one is a bit more clean. It has less buttons, there's less going on. On 2026 you just have this extra space right here. And in the corner it says File Explorer with the icon, but here it just says Home. This one has folders pinned by default, but this one doesn't. Why does 2021 Windows look a bit cleaner? I don't know. Now what I want to check out is the settings on both of these. Okay, so these are the settings. Why did this one open up in such a weird size? But right away, there's not really much differences. This one says focus, this one says focus assist. I'm not signed in on both of them, yet on this one it says sign in to get most out of your Windows. Let's check out Microsoft Paint across both of these systems. The icons are unchanged. Oh, but the programs do look different. This one looks more like how Microsoft Paint has always looked like from the earlier days, from Windows 7. The 2026 one is a lot more redesigned. Okay, download updates to use AI features. Why does Paint need AI? The layout is so different actually. There's like so many extra buttons. I don't see the layers panel on here. Do you want to save your work? No, I don't think that should be saved. 2021, I don't think it even had a co-pilot, okay? And wait, the contextual menu. What happened to the contextual menu? This one is longer and this one is like shorter in size, in width. They kind of simplified it a lot more. This one says open in Windows Terminal. This one just says open in Terminal, okay? Then what about calculator? Has that changed? Oh wait, this calculator is transparent. Okay, what the hell? That's actually pretty cool. There's no transparency on this one. Can I turn it on or something? Transparency, please. There's no transparency on 2026 calculator. It's kind of more boring. What about, let's say, calendar or something? Calendar on this one. And where's the calendar on this one? They removed it? How can you remove the calendar? But this one on 2021 looked different. And why do you need an account to use the calendar? This one looks so weird, but there is a calendar. One day, the Windows calculator is going to require a Microsoft account. Taskbar settings. Let's check those ones out. How can we customize the taskbar in both versions? I think let's turn all this stuff off on both of them. 2021 had an extra option called chat. What was it? Oh, it's Microsoft Teams chat. Okay. Taskbar corner icons. System tray icons. Okay. Interesting change. Taskbar corner overflow. What does that even mean? It's basically other system tray icons. It's the same thing. What about start settings? On 2021, I can't right click on the start menu to customize it. So I guess that means I have to specifically open up the settings and then search for start customization. You might be interested in seeing how I turn my Windows 11 into Windows 8.